gas. Extreme inflammable gas. Well, creeps up my pie. I'm H. Let's get this underway, bitch. We only just found this lighter, by the way. Oh, sorry.
What?
See that come out? It's gone down a bit, the gas.
Oh! Do that once more.
3, 2, 1.
Sweet. It's Creepers in my pie. Peace. Subscribe for 5 cookies.
Yeah. Yo, look at this. Quickly film this. And whilst we're here, I might as well do this. No.
Oh yeah. Mango.
Yeah.
No, do this. Do this. Do this thing. Do this thing.
You hold it there.
And he's gonna jump on this, and I'm gonna go flying.
Right, see, your hand in the main camera. 3, 2, 1. It snapped. Right, anyway.
It just
No,
snapped.
thank you for watching. Please like, favourite, subscribe so I can get a new finger because I've just burnt the shit out of this one.
Subscribe for 5 cookies. Right.
Cookies.
See you in a bit. Love you.
Guys, Creepers on the planet here. We found 3 things.
Bubble wrap.
Literally
Yeah,
bubble wrap. Look. Yeah, bubble wrap. Right.
Now I'm gonna run and do a flip and not land it.
3, 2, 1, go. Wait, Philly. I'm not as like stupid as Frossel film this. What the hell is he doing? He's a madman. Wait, film this. Film me.
Yeah, now H is gonna do something.
I'm gonna jump from this bit where the crap is.
Woohoo! Oh!
That felt thick.
What time with the camera?
Oh, I do the front flip with the camera.
Or shall I?
Yeah. I don't know.
Do it, Mum.
I said.
dare your mum.
Hi. Yo, thank you for watching. Well, we're not high at all.
Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yeah, oh yeah.